Good morning, students. So in the previous video we have seen how to find solution of linear inequation in two variables if only one inequation is given, है ना? Now we have three inequations, then we need its solution. ठीक है? चलिए, so first we will find solution of this inequation, then this inequation, then this inequation, and from that we'll find out solution of this inequation, है ना? चलिए, so first of all our first inequation is 3x plus 2y is less than equal to 12. This is our first inequation, है ना? So first step is we will find its corresponding equation. Its corresponding equation will be 3x plus 2y equal to 12. ठीक है? Now we need its solution. To draw its graph we need its solution, है ना? So for that we'll put some values of xy. So one simple process, put x equal to 0, then y is 6, 2y equal to 12, so y will be 6. When y is 0, then 3 is equal to 12, x will be 4. So 0, 6 and 4, 0 are the solution of this equation. ठीक है? 0, 6, 4, 0. This line will pass through 0, 6 and 4, 0. Now where are 0, 6 and 4, 0? 0, 6, x 0, y 6. This point. Y 0, x 4. This point. So we join these 2 points. When you draw on the graph paper, then your graph will be exactly. Yeah, some problems can be there. Then we need its solution. This is a graph for equation 2. We need graph for equation 1. In equation 1. So just take one point which is not on this line. So we can take this point origin 0, 0. We can take 1, 0. We can take 2, 0. We can take 3, 0. 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Any point we can take from this side, no problem, है ना? So simple process. If your line is not passing through 0, 0, take 0, 0. So putting 0, 0 in equation 1, we get 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is less than 12. That is 0 less than 12. Is true or false? It is true. 0 is less than 12. So the region, the half plane which contain 0, 0 means this side below this line will be a solution of inequation 1 including this line, because this is slack inequality, equal to is there. So we can just make one sign that this side graph is our solution. ठीक है? This region is our solution. Now for second, x more than equal to 1. This is our inequation, है ना? Now its solution, its corresponding equation will be x equal to 1 is our corresponding equation. 4. Now where is x equal to 1? X equal to 1, है ना? Here y is absent. It means this line is parallel to y axis. So x equal to 1. This is our line. Now x is more than 1. So where is x more than 1? This side. So its graph is this side. ठीक है? Okay. Now for third inequation, y is more than equal to 2. So its corresponding equation will be y equal to 2. Now y equal to, here x is absent, it means line is parallel to x axis. So y equal to 2 is here. So line is parallel to x axis. This is our equation 6. Yeah. Now here y is more than 2. So more than 2 is above this line. This is the solution of. So we have its solution, right, for equation 1 and equation x more than 1. This side. ठीक है? For y more than 2, above this. For this 3x plus y less than 12, this side. So here above, here this side, and here below. So what we are getting among this shared region? What is common? is common region, x more than 1 this side, y more than 2 above this line, and for 3 to y this side, है ना, containing origin. So this is our required solution, and it is bounded, है ना, there is no gap, it is closed. So this region is our boundary region, it is our required solution, including these lines. And these lines are included because here we have select inequalities. Check, if it is strict, there is no equal to sign, then this line will not be included, and in that case we draw line in the form of dotted line if there is no equal to sign. Okay, check. Okay, now we have to solve x plus y more than or equal to 4 and 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 graphically. ठीक है, चलिए. So first of all, first inequation is x plus y more than or equal to 4. So its equation will be x plus y equal to 4. Now its solution. So just replace x by 0, y by 0. Then what happens? When x is 0, so y will be 4. When y is 0, x will be 4. So 0, 4 and 4, 0 are our solution of this equation 2. Means this line passes through 0, 4 and 4, 0. So we plot these points on the graph. 0, 4, x 0, y 4, 4, 0, x 4, y 0. So this is the graph of graph of second equation, है ना. ठीक है. Now we put 0, 0 in equation 1 because it is not passing through origin, so we can take 0, 0. So putting 0, 0, we get 0 plus 0 more than or equal to 4, means 0 more than or equal to 4, which is false, not true. It is not true. It means the region which does not contain origin will be our solution, means above this line. So this is our solution for inequation 1, above that side, including this line because there is equality, है ना. Okay, now for second inequation 2x minus y less than 0. So its equation will be 2x minus y equal to 0. So now its solution. If x is 0, what happens? Y will be 0. If y is 0, then x simply 0 only, because when x 0, y is 0. So now we cannot put y equal to 0. So you can take any other value. If x is 1, y will be 2. If x is 1, y is 2. ठीक है. So line passes through origin and 1, 2. So its graph origin 0, 0 and 1, 2, x1, y2. This is the point. So its graph will be, this is the graph for equation 4. ठीक है. Now its solution. So here we put 0, 0 in third inequation. So what you get? 2 into 0 minus 0 less than 0. 0 is less than 0. It's true. Can you put 0, 0? And it is passing through origin, so we cannot put 0, 0. Okay. So be careful. If your line is passing through origin, we cannot put 0, 0. So we have to take any other point. What you can take? Any other, maybe 1, 0, 0, 1, any point you can take. If you take 1, 0, then what happens? 2 into 1 minus 0 is less than 0. So you get 2 less than 0, which is false. So where is 1, 0? x1, y0. This is 1, 0. Okay. So its graph is 1, 0 is in this side and it is false. So what you can say? Above this line, mean this side. is our required solution for this equation. So its solution is above this line, its solution here. So common solution will be this part. Then one thing here, it is strict inequality. So for this line you have to make dotted line. Okay. So in this solution, this line will be included, but this line will not be, this part will not be included. So above in this side, here we can go ahead, but this line will not be, points on this line we cannot take. Only this part will be our required solution. So better be careful one thing, when your line passes through origin, we cannot put origin. Then take any other point. Simply you can take these points on the x-axis, from the on x-axis or from the y-axis. So again one point will be 0, x coordinate or y coordinate. So it will be easy to calculate. Okay. Now we have given 3 inequations. We want to find its solution graphically. So for all these 3 inequations, we have to find graph. We have to draw graph for all these 3 inequations on the same graph paper. And then the common region will be our solution. So first of all, we take our first inequation, 2x plus y more than equal to 4. This is our first inequation. Then what is the step? First we'll find its corresponding equation. That will be 2x plus y equal to 4. Now we find its solution. So to find solution, one simple process. Once you can put x equal to 0 and then y equal to 0. 2 points are sufficient to draw a graph of any linear equation. When x is 0, y will be x0, then 2 into 0 plus y equal to 4. So y will be 4. If y is 0, if y becomes 0, then 2x will be 4, means x will be 2. So these are our solution of this equation 2. 2 is equation for inequation 1. Now we draw its graph. So here point is 0, 4. So x0, y4. This is the point. x2, y0. x2, y0. So these 2 points. Here we have equality, slack inequality. So we can draw a dark line. Check. Now this is a graph for 2x equal to 4. Now we need its graph. So we can take one point either from this plane or from this plane. So simple way, you can take origin 0, 0. So when you put 0, 0 in first, what do we get? 2 into 0 plus 0 is more than equal to 4. So 0 is more than 4. True? No, false. So it is false. It means the region in which the plane, half plane where 0, 0 lies will not be the solution of this inequation. It means the opposite plane will be solution of the inequation. So what you can do, you can just mark like this. Okay? Means this side area is our required area for this inequation. Okay? Now for second inequation, x plus y is less than 3. Suppose it is 3 number. So its equation will be x plus y equal to 3. Number 4. Now its solution we find. If x is 0, y will be 3. If y is 0, x will be 3. Okay? So 0, 3 and 3, 0 are the solution of this equation. 3, 0 or 0, 3. Again here slack inequality is there, so we can draw one dark line only. Now its solution. So for that we put again 0 0 because 0 0 does not lie on this line. So when you put 0 0 in equation 3, putting 0 0 in 3, what do you get? 0 plus 0 less than 3 means 0 less than 3. True. So it means the half plane where 0 0 lies will be our required solution for this inequation. So where is 0 0? This side. So our equation graph this. So we can draw like this. So this part is our required plan. We can use different ink also to show the region for given inequation. Okay? Chali. Now for third inequation, 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. It is number 5. Now its equation will be 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Then its solution, when x is 0, then 3y equal minus 3 equal to 6, y will be minus 2. When y is 0, so 2x minus it is 0, so 2x equal to 6 means x will be 3. So points are minus 2, 0 minus 2 and 3 0. 0 minus 2, x 0 y minus 2. This is the point. And x3 y 0, x3 y 0, this point. So here also in the second equality means you can draw one dark line only. Now its solution. So for that we put again 0 0 because this line also not passing through 0 0. So what do you get? 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 is less than equal to 6, means 0 less than 6. True? Yes, it is true. So the shaded the region where origin lies will be our solution for this equation. Then this side or this side. Okay? Now what is common solution? Here we have above this, here we have below this, and here we have this side above this. So the common part is in all these three shaded region. Common part is over this. Okay, now it is bounded, bounded by these three lines. So all the lines, this line, this line, so this is our required solution. This common shaded region, including these lines, is our required solution for this inequations. Okay? So first draw the graphs of each inequation separately on the same graph and find out the common region and their solution. After that find out the common shaded region. Okay? That will be our required solution. Okay?